it's leaking oil, it's got oil. Okay, so the Z is down. Obviously, if you guys haven't seen, the main caps were fretting, which caused the main caps to break, and then the crankshaft let go, meaning it split in half. So for today, we're gonna be playing around with the Supra. I really wanna take it for a drive. Gonna get you guys some real good POV action with it. But first, before we go, okay, preliminary checks. I know it's got oil, because it's leaking oil. And we got coolant. Maybe I should check the oil. Nah, it'll be fine. I just checked it the last time. I'm not dripping a lot of oil. It is a 7M, so it does leak some oil, but if it's leaking oil, it's got oil. Yeah, I like it. Okay guys, I'm gonna interrupt this video real quick because since this video is about the Mark III Supra, Mark III content, if you didn't already know, I do actually have Mark III Supra merchandise available on the web store. Head on over to billybills.com. I'm gonna show you a couple shirts I got right here, which is just kind of like a regular art form style. It says the Supra Dynasty on the bottom. Obviously it's got the Billy Built logo on the front, much like this one. And then for the back, obviously this one's kind of like an 80s style retro theme since it is like an 80s car with flip up lights. You know, we gotta kind of fit that persona. So if you haven't already, be sure to head over to the website. Let's get back into this video. All right, got the car out of the garage. Boop. This car literally takes 25 minutes to get up to operating temperature because the stupid fan is on all the time. Not much I can do about that right now. I need either a fan switch or a standalone. Standalone is basically just a really expensive fan switch at this point. But it's coming, I promise. I went to go in the 6th gear. There's no 6th gear. Let me think. I only have 2 cars with 5 speeds still, and that's the CRX and this one. Everything else, well, unless you want to count the automatics. Nah, we don't count those. Basically, the BRZ and the Z are now 6 speed, so I get kind of used to that. Can't go too fast. All 200 horsepower out of this thing. Brake check. She's good. Good, she's enjoying it. I'm enjoying this. how smooth these windows roll up and down. Not bad. I really think this thing makes more power than what they say. This car is so underrated. It might even be faster than my BRZ. My BRZ ran at 14.9 at 92 miles an hour, I think it was. This is right there. I don't even know what it looked like out the back tailpipe. It looked like it was clean. I didn't see any big puffs of smoke or anything, which is great. That's what we want for a 7M, right? Right. Want to be able to turn the boost up on this thing, make a little bit more power here soon. It's just a great running car. Yeah, I need to do something about this here. This is aggravating. And it looks dumb. Really dumb. There's little quirks on this car that I don't like, but unfortunately, the turn signals don't work in this. So that's another thing I gotta look into. I've just been driving the car. I haven't really done too much work on it because all my time has been going into the Z. Turbo noises are good for the soul. Very good. I don't care what anybody says. You're having a bad day, you're a little stressed out, you need a turbo in your life. Oh look, another new housing development. Didn't see that one coming. I'm just trying to have some fun here. Still makes pretty spoolie noises. Roll this up a little bit here. That 7M growl. Yeah. Nothing crazy. Wasn't even revving it out. Keep in mind, the stock turbo, the stock turbo gauge doesn't go past 8 PSI, and the turbo doesn't make more than about 7. I don't think. Ooh, we got some, it smells like some burning oil over here. Let's see here. Yes, sir. She runs just right. No, that sun is no joke. I'm getting spoiled with this dark tint and cool air. I mean, it's not much, but shoot, let's turn on this AC. No? Wait. There we go. Yeah. Pump that down. Climate control in a car from 1987, guys. Check that out. It doesn't get more real than that. sound clip there. Love going under that bridge. You know, guys, this drive has been great and all, but I'd say we do it again later on when there's not as much traffic on the roads and I can enjoy some nice back roads. So I'm gonna cut it here, go back home, and then we'll hop back in it later on and do this again. So I'll get back with you then. And we're back. I figured there was a little bit too much traffic earlier on, but you know, now it's like kind of rush hour traffic, so, and the temperature is way cooler out now. It dropped like 20 degrees in the last couple hours. Beautiful sunset, clear skies. Man, I gotta get my pilot's license or something. I want to be up in the air one of these days. Don't get me wrong, driving cars is great, but I really want to get my pilot's license. Well, especially on a day like today, it'd be a little chilly, but it'd be a lot of fun to be up in the sky. Got the flip-up lights on. We're cruising now, boys. Oh, this car is so good. I love it. I love it. Now, the question is, do we take the highway? Oh, I might miss my turn. Oh, we might miss the turn. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. Don't think we're gonna make the highway, because I would need to go that way with all those people. I don't have turn signals, so I'm not gonna fight it. I'm just not gonna fight it. That is what it is. Turbo really likes to come online right around 3 grand, which honestly in a turbo car, it's kind of where I want it. I don't think I would want it spooling any quicker than that. I mean, any sooner than 3 grand, you're just putting excessive load on the motor for no reason. Nobody really cares to make power below 3,000 RPMs. Oh, in case you didn't notice, the light's out on my speedometer. I have the worst luck with speedometers sometimes, I swear. And again, that's one more thing I gotta pull apart to find out what's actually wrong with it. I assume it's just like either a burned out bulb or the bulb's not put in straight. Because these gauges look like they were installed like 15 years ago. You know, back when Ricer stuff was really hot. But who actually knows? In all honesty, like everything else on the car, it's kind of period correct. So I'm not too upset about the aftermarket gauges. They kind of remind me of Need for Speed Underground 2 in a way anyway. Pretty cool stuff. In case you guys are wondering, it's like a cool, I don't know, 45 degrees out right now, which in Florida in December, don't always get that. I mean, maybe once or twice, but tonight I think it's supposed to be like 30s. It just shot a backfire. Oh, that's funny. I think a slow let off of the gas will, let me see. Okay, I let off a little fast that time. So, pardon me while I go get a treat for myself. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed this one. I know this one was a little bit different. It wasn't anything really fast, really loud, or exciting. It's just kind of a chill cruise, hanging out in the Supra. Just kind of get you an overall feel for this car. It's something nice and smooth. It's a good running car. I love this thing. It makes all the right sounds. Maybe one day I'll figure out a way to get some better audio for you guys. I'd really like to get a better mic setup, so we'll see what happens. I'm constantly reinvesting into the channel, coming up with different ideas for the YouTube. I really hope you all enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you smash the like button for me, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.